there are ways to give value in fiction books, because I don't understand where this idea came from, because this book has lots of value to me, because it's a detective story. I like detective stories, and you see on here that it's about Chet, the dog, and I'm a dog person, so I have interest in reading this, and because there's some type of benefit value in it for me. And back here, it's the most important part. Here, this sells the value of the book, because this appeals to me. So there's value in this book. This is a basic value. Now, two, this this is a type of value most people talk about. Theme, messages from the book. Fiction has this too. I was taught adding theme to a book, but now I don't hear people talk about this. And this is, I think, what the problem is. People don't teach theme. Everything has a theme. Everything has message, value, lesson to it. People see things that way. Whatever they think about the book, whatever comes to their mind is what the book is about. It's a theme, the message, something to get out of the book. Know who does value good? The theme? Yeah, it's a Christian thing. Christian movies. That one movie with Cook, Cameron, Fireproof. That movie has lots of value for married people. It's supposed to help make your marriage better. But that's value. And the thing is, we all know about Christian movies is they have lots of message, theme, value, but when it comes to entertainment, they are not the best, which is why people hate on them. I made this to show value in this video and to show the value of a book. It's double value. Okay. Abuse is not okay, it's value. Because that's a message. The value don't have to be, oh, you can make $5,000 more a month, blah blah blah. That's nonsense. Value is anything good that you can give from your book. And this will help somebody. People need to be reminded of things. Abuse is not okay. It's basic, but it counts. And it has to be shown because it's fiction. The value is shown. I went to this and made this diagram because abuse is a thing and we have to talk about it too. Because subtext is just something else you can do because we tell people things even when we don't speak. That's how it goes in fiction. I'm sure people can find value in a Spider-Man cartoon, so why can't they find value in your fiction book?